Good day, everyone. Ali Safi here from Safi Financial Network. Today is May 16, 2024. Here is another daily analysis. All right, let's go to the chart, see what chart tells us. Here is S&P 500 daily chart. And as you see here, market just went all the way up to new all-time high, but coming down sharply after like the last hour of the trading session. Market just sold off. If we go to hourly chart, let me go to hourly chart to show you exactly what's happening today. So market just, as I said, got kind of like a to new all-time high, but fail and then going down. Usually when it happens, market is going to go test the previous demand area, which is going to be somewhere around 5,250 to 5,280. So if we just mark it in our chart here, so that's going to be the first potential, I should say, a very, very important level is going to be 5,240 to 5,254. That's the level that I'm just looking for. A correction ends, and then we can get back to the bullish momentum. So as I said, this buying opportunity is somewhere here, and any pullback could be kind of like a good buying opportunity for the next rally. This is the bottom. This is very, very important bottom on May 14, and market just skyrocketing after that. So right now, I should say any pullback to this area could be a great buying opportunity. S&P 500 is kind of like overstretched even in daily charts. So if you just see here, this daily chart is very, very overstretched, overbought, and market needs to have a pullback. The better case is going to be, however, a pullback to this broken level, which is less likely. But if that happens, that's going to be a fantastic buying opportunity for our next new all-time high. So we will see if market gives us a good buying opportunity. We will take it. This trend line could be tested, and these two levels are coming together. I believe these two are coming together somewhere around May 27th. So we will have another week. Potentially, we will see some kind of like a pullback to this area for a great buying opportunity for new all-time high or next rally. So we will see how it goes. We will give market benefit of doubt. So moving on to Nasdaq, which kind of like at the same scenario here. Nasdaq got into new all-time high. Let me just clean this up. And then coming back down. So Nasdaq, this one as well, so can go down. However, a potential downside for Nasdaq is going to be limited. We can just go all the way down to previous session. This is kind of like important flag limit here. And also it's going to be important previous resistance, which now becomes support. So this area, I should say, is going to be a kind of like a pullback for a next buying opportunity, especially last day was kind of like a marvelous move to the upside. So daily chart overbought in any stretch that you want to just slice it and dice it. So if it goes down, we will give kind of like oversold condition in daily. That's going to be kind of like a good buying opportunity. Moving on to US 30, which is Dow. Let me see if we get, we got into new all-time high, nominal new all-time high for Dow, coming back down. So the level that I'm just looking at is here. This area could be kind of like a potential pullback. And then Dow can do the same thing with S&P 500. Just pull back for next buying opportunity to go higher. So that's kind of like the roadmap that I have for Dow. I don't see any like a more or major pullback rather than this. The kind of like a, I should say, very, very sharp pullback can end it up to this area, which is going to be 39,000. But that's going to be less likely. But if that happens, that's going to be great buying opportunity. Moving on to gold. After yesterday's surge, gold is coming down as well. So to just pull back and test this broken trend line here. This is important, and I should say the shallow pullback is expected. Nothing crazy I'm expecting for gold, and gold can go down here to this area just to form another bullish consolidation for a next rally. The next rally is going to challenge the previous new all-time high or high, so we can just see another surge to 24 or 2,500. So that's pretty interesting if we can see that. Moving on to silver, is kind of like the same scenario. Silver is just like challenging this top and coming back down doji bar. I don't see any like a major pullback again for silver. Silver, let me just clean this chart or can copy here. So the major pullback, I should say, can go all the way down to 28.74 and even to this consolidation area. So which is going to be this area. So silver got into our demand area, nice reaction. And right now, I should say this is going to be interesting if silver goes back down to this area, to this demand area, which is going to be here for a next buying opportunity. If it gets there, that's going to be kind of like a good daily oversold condition. And then we can see if reversal happens that's going to be kind of like a challenge, these 2 points to $32 per ounce silver. That's going to be it for silver. And moving on to crude, which kind of like a positive today. So crude is shaking out some people here with this consolidation, but I believe that still the buy signal is there. It's kind of like a forming a weekly and daily oversold condition bottoming. This is kind of like interesting. This is very, very important level. First time crude got back here. I believe crude is just getting poised for another rally. A potential $92 for crude is coming, which is going to give inflation higher um, and CPI higher for months of May as well. So that's going to be scary for lots of people. Moving on to individual names, starting with Bitcoin. Bitcoin after yesterday surged nicely. It's just coming back down to test this area. This pivotal point has been broken. So if it goes down, we can see some kind of like a next surge to 76,000 is coming. Ethereum, we are kind of like showing analysis starting today. Ethereum is forming its a gigantic bull flag here. I think it's going to follow up Bitcoin. I know it's lagging, but Ethereum, if it goes at 33,000 above, broken above this trend line, that's going to be a first signal, and then broken above 3,300. That's going to be kind of like an interesting scenario for Ethereum. It can go higher to 5,000. I believe Ethereum is going to just tackle that. Why I'm saying this, if I want to show you, if I can show you here. So this is kind of like the symmetry that we can do. So we can just copy this box to this bottom here. So you see that it goes all the way down to 48,000. So that's the symmetry that I have for Ethereum. So 48,000, that's going to be the level that I'm looking for. So let's just point it out here, 46 to 48,000 for our target for Ethereum, and we're going to follow up after that. So basically, I think crypto and altcoins are going to just outperform the rest of the market in summer as well. Moving on to US bond yield. So bond yield is coming back up nicely today. So that's why I put pressure on market, just because Federal Reserve chairmans, they were saying like potentially we are going to just keep the rate as is and we are not going to hold it out for now. So that's why this bond yield is going back up. TLT Treasury is uh, just reacting to this trend line. This is kind of like a natural reaction. It can go down to 89, but eventually it can go higher to 95, 97. VIX is down today again. So VIX doesn't show any fear in the market. This means this is just the bond yield verbiage after CPI number yesterday. So this is going to be just the short-term pullback for the market. Dixie coming back up, not as strong as bond yield, but it's just a follow-up yield as well. Magma indicator coming down today, 11 cents down. Apple, just after hitting to $190, it goes down 189.87. AEM is coming down as well, 183. Sorry, not AEM. Amazon is coming down 183.60. So this means like still a correction, minor correction can happen in big techies and semis, but I believe that that's going to be just a short-lived correction. Meta is coming down 1.74% to the downside. Microsoft, $2.15 down, and Google, $1.60 up today. So Google is kind of like outperforming nominal new all-time high today as well, 174. You can't imagine. Google is just going up and up and up. And it's just to give some kind of like a minor correction for it buyers. Netflix at $3 down today, still a bullish consolidation forming. Can go down to 578, but that's gonna be it. I don't see any like a major pullback or correction on this. Tesla optic today, a very narrow body bar here, 88 cents up. Moving on to semiconductors, SMH, $1.70 down after just a small touch on this top of this candle here at new all-time high. SOX, the same pattern here, $1.13 down, and Taiwan Semiconductor is coming down after rocking to the upside. I believe this one is just a minor correction. AMD, just after hitting this consolidation area within this breakdown, this is the potential scenario that we can see. Just a pullback and consolidation for tackle to the next rally. 173, 183, I believe it's coming down the road. Moving on to NVIDIA, after hitting these two tops here, it's just coming down. Texas Instruments going up today and then coming back down. So Texas, a fantastic surge. I believe that this one is overbought and overstretched and needs to pull back for a next rally. Moving on to Lam Research at $4.85 down after hours. It took more hit, $938 down as well. Moving on to XLF, which is a financials, a zero change here after hitting the all-time high. KBE 17 cents down today. KRE 24 cents down. JP Morgan 37 cents down after hitting new all-time high. So banks are going down as well as yield is up today. So this is kind of like the interesting scenario. Goldman Sachs $1.54 down. Bank of America 33 cents up. So as you see here, it's kind of like a mixed picture of bank and financials, and they're kind of like showing a strength. Wells Fargo $1.27 down. This is a big engulfing at the top, so Wells Fargo can go down to test this 58.57. That would be kind of like a great buying opportunity. Moving on to gold miners, they're just coming down today, doji bar, nothing spectacular. GDX 25 cents down, GDXJ 12 cents down, AEM 29 cents down, Newmont 35 cents down, and Franco-Nevada. When the other names are down, Franco-Nevada is up. So this is kind of like going against the sector. 46 cents up today, and Goldberg 10 cents up today as well. Moving on to the last sector, XLE Energy, just a doji bar after tackling to this trend line, 26 cents down. XOP Oil and Gas Exploration ETF, 85 cents down. OH 54 cents up today, not a bad price action at all. And Exxon, just the 77 cents down. And Chevron is going down $1.96 down. So I believe when crude is getting back to its bullish momentum, these ones are going to get back to its bullish momentum as well. So I believe energy market can do well as well in this summer. All right, I believe I covered everything. If you like this video, please smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and have a good one. See you on the chart. Bye-bye.